Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella and I'm back with another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some makeup hacks that I learned through my self makeup training. This is my bare face with all its flaws, acne, pimple, rashes. The first thing I'm going to be showing you guys today is how to turn a mascara into an eyeliner. Literally, this eyeliner is finished, So how you do this is just by getting water. Get at least maybe 3 drops of water, any amount actually, like so. And then you just use the eyeliner brush to like dip it in, and you shake around, just shake it just to get any of those little bit of eyeliner juice that were inside there. Next, you open up your mascara, get your eyeliner brush, and you dip your eyeliner brush into the mascara, get all the mascara juices and liquid, and and then you just get everything. Okay, then you put it into your eyeliner and you shake it up. The reason why we put that water in is because of this mascara, because you know mascara on its own is very thick. So we need something to like lighten it up a little bit, and you continue this process until the eyeliner just gets the consistency you want.
One eternity later.
Now the next hack I'm about to show you guys requires me to do some makeup. Please, disclaimer, I'm not a professional makeup artist, okay? So like I said before at the beginning of this video, I am just learning by myself. Okay, now let's get straight to it. Now, I was very unfortunate to have purchased a foundation that was not my color. This foundation is just shiny, okay? So in case if you have any foundation that is like shiny-ish, I'm going to show you what to do. But also, in case if you don't have a concealer, a darker concealer to like correct the upper part of your eyebrow, you can use your foundation, okay?
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
Now for my favorite of them all, if you don't have a contour, you can use your eye pencil as a substitute. So the first thing you do is that you find your cheekbone and then you just draw under your cheekbone.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
for me, contouring just means that finding a darker substance and just applying it to the places that you want to hide or you want to highlight a little bit. So right now I'm going to put my eye pencil normally at the places that I'm going to put my contour.
we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Line at the very edge of your lips to make them look bigger.
wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame.
Now it's such a tragedy, but I have to show you guys one more hack, and this hack actually requires me to clean off this makeup.
'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. Safe and sound.
Now for this next hack, if you don't have a makeup wipe, you can use an olive oil and a serviette. Okay, this is the olive oil I'm going to be using. Its name is Goya. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video was helpful. And also share, okay? Bye. Catch you in my next video.
Safe and sound.